Alright, what's up guys? It's still day 33, but we got another food. I guess my stomach doesn't hurt enough from that whole can of olives. So I think after I eat a few strawberries, just like, probably like a couple, coming in with the E3 foods. Please, man, not today, not today. I don't think I can handle a third food after this one and the previous one, but I will get to it, I swear. 3 foods I will do. What, eat the leaf by itself? The leaf gets eaten, okay? That strawberry was not sweet at all. Oh, Hayden claims my voice is calming. Appreciated. Sorry, I can't really talk while eating. I do think my stomach is starting to hurt though, so I guess that's a plus. You guys eat these leaves? You just pluck these off? I guess you probably washed these beforehand too. I feel like that one had mold on it. It was so sweet compared to every single one else that I just had. Sweet, delicious mold. That leaf looks gross. Abnormally sweet. That one was abnormally warm. That's gross. That one definitely does not taste like a good one at all. Ew. Alright, and yeah, I guess we're done here. Thank you, whoever clicked in, stopped by to check out this random waste of your time stream. It's the last one. Alright, farewell. I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. I swear I'm not planning a random third extra bonus video at all. It's not happening. Maybe eventually I'll do Cameron's request for 3 foods.